Have you ever seen logos like these or these? So the people who use those kind of logos blew up so bad recently. So today I'm going to tell you how to make the exact same thing, but in step by step. So don't miss a minute, and let's get to the video. So first on VPN and get into CapCut. Then click new project and then select your picture you want for your logo. Now export it. Now change the aspect ratio to 1:1 and expand the picture. Now it's perfect. So now what you have to do first is that add some CCs or filters. So you have to go to video effects and add good filters like these. Okay, so just follow me, add the same effects as me to get the same result. Perfect. Go to lenses, add HDR. So just add these kind of stuff. It's good that you reduce the glow a bit. Okay. Yeah. Or now I prefer to take this off. Okay. So our CCs are ready. Also now we have to get to the text. The text thing is not that of a thing. You just type in your name, then go to styles, then select the kind of text you want. But I like to do it in a different way, like go to text templates. Okay, go to text, then do this. Scarlet, then go to fonts, then put a good font. Like for example, I personally like to use this font, so you just align it properly. Yeah, so now you just gotta align it a bit more. Once again, I'll just align it even better. Perfect. Now we just gotta swipe up and take a screenshot. Now just crop the screenshot. That's all. Now your logo is totally ready. Okay, so this is how the logo turned out. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment on your thoughts about this logo. Thank you for watching.